Hi there. More than 60% CNC owners rate rework as their number one problem in the CNC machining. Does this sound familiar? I am Rashmi from Manleo Designs, and for the last 20 years, we've helped more than 500 customers reduce their rework by 70% using our products and services. There are several ways to reduce rework in CNC machining. For example, invest in better CNC machines, hire more skilled CNC operators, improve your processes, or invest in in-machine inspection like probes and tool setters. Did you know that wrong datum references, untimely detection of wrong tool, tool wear, tool breakage, these are some of the most important causes of rework in CNC machining. Contact us if you want to explore further on how probes and tool setters can help you reduce rework very effectively. We will be happy to schedule a free demo for you. If you find this useful, like and share. Thank you.